to do a ride along with the new Toyota GR86.
I'm gonna find out, can I drive the way I normally drive with the camera on? Or if I drive like complete
But the seasons keep on going, and the river just keep on flowing, and the wind it keeps on blowing, and this beat it stays in motion like my legs. And this rhythm keeps
Dude. Jeez.
a little bit, but not too much. Spun a little bit. Spun a little bit right there.
Yeah.
A little bit oversteer. Oversteer, a little understeer. Oversteer. Smell the tires a little bit. This way I need to heel toe. Understeer, oversteer. I'm not sure what car that is, so we'll brake. That'll be my timer, so.
15-mile-an-hour corner. Oh, you know, just going 60 miles an hour.
So I definitely need to air down because I can really feel my tires being wobbly. Like right now, I can feel it.
No, I understand, but you gotta. Oh.
I feel like it's floating.
I know,
Floating.
that's what's scary to me. I can feel us getting like. I understand that like you do this and you're comfortable with this road, but coming from a perspective of somebody who hasn't been in the passenger of a car that is going hard, Josh is the only one that could probably give me that same feeling with.
So 2 minutes and 17 seconds.
That you seeing you flying at such a high speed, I'm like, this is it. Every corner, I thought you're wrecking. I was like, why is he doing this for the camera? And you're telling me that's half?
Okay, fine. Let's not have that. That's at least 75%.
Right, but
That's honest.
yeah, but like I get it that you can probably push a bit harder, but dude, that's insane. Like, I'm scared because like you're taking that first corner, which is right there. You're taking that first corner, and you're feeling the car, you're looking, but your eyes are getting distracted from the road, and because you're trying to see what speed you're going.
No.
Does that not distract you?
One of them I did. I was trying to see what speed I was going, but the other ones I felt comfortable where I kind of feel this. I'm paying attention to what my tires are doing, and my steering, what it feels like. Then I make my judgment call if I need to release a little bit of gas or if I need to add more and how much steering. But I pay attention to what my tires are doing.
But if you fly in too hot on the first corner, that's a problem.
Are we going drifting tomorrow?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm a lot higher than what I'm supposed to. So I'm supposed to be 35 all around as standard. Right now I'm on drift PSI. But if I'm gonna be taking corners, I need to be at 30 PSI hot. I'm not sure if the older BRZs told you the PSI or not.
You know what's cool about new cars though is you have air conditioning. In my 370Z, we have to use the windows for air conditioning. Yeah, it would be nice to compare this car to the 370 once I get the stuff I mentioned, the preventative maintenance, and I get better tires because that matters, and I need to do suspension work. Honestly, once I drop like another $6,000 into an $8,000 car, that's from the speakers. Do it again. Do it again.
I mean, at least it fools the girls. They're stupid enough to believe it, but
Okay, you guys are all just like really misogynist.
I hate my voice. Because you have the video on, my voice is high pitched now.
Yeah. No.
Oh no, not at all. I'm gonna find out, can I drive the way I normally drive? Double question. Watch me stall just because of the camera.
Also, you started in second gear at 3 miles an hour.
We're gonna talk about that.
Is pretty ballsy for a 200 horsepower car.
Don't believe we don't talk about that. We don't talk about that. Perfect shift. It was the right route match.
But yeah, just like let me out and then.